Look at this. Well, at least I got something to do. What's up, guys? Haven't been posting for a while, so what I've been up to. Not so much flying, but a lot of snow shuffling. Oh my god. Yeah, life in Norway. But now look at this. Ooh, it's not raining, the wind has settled down. Let's go fly. It's not the best spot, but it's a spot and it's not as much snow as you can see. It is currently 3 Celsius and the snow is melting, and that is a good sign. Eagle, don't bother my quad. All right, see how this handles. We are off to a pretty good start, aren't we? Look at this.